What's going on, everyone? Back again with another review. Today I have some pretty cool gaming gear from Creative here. These are the Sound BlasterX. So I got a RGB mechanical keyboard here and also the Siege M04 RGB mouse as well. Let's go ahead and open them and see how they perform. First, let's go ahead and open up the keyboard here. We have a nice box here. Let's just go ahead and take it off. And okay, so the interesting part here. So we do got some paperwork here. I'm guessing warranty and stuff like that. We don't really need that. And the keyboard itself. Okay, let's put it aside for now. And also the stand for the keyboard as well over here. We don't need the box. So first impression of the keyboard, looks nice. It has a very nice clean look to it, which I love. I always look whenever I get a keyboard. I always look for the nice clean look, and this definitely has that. And we do have a volume wheel as well here. And the buttons up here for the lights and everything else, I think. And then the M keys as well. And one thing is, for a mechanical keyboard, not that loud, eh? So it's actually really good. Let's go ahead and open up the mouse and see how it feels like. So we do have a window here to look through, but we can't touch anything. So let's just open it. Nothing in there. Manuals. More garbage. And it does feel nice in the hand. And I can't wait to plug this in and see exactly how it works, and the lighting mainly I'm interested at too. I've been using Logitech mouses for a few years now, so I'm actually really interested to see how this is gonna do. Especially I play a lot of Battlefield 1, so I'm gonna see how that works. Looks like I'm missing something. Amazing. Now I can go ahead and plug them in and see all the lighting and how it works. So the keyboard features 26 key rollover, anti-ghosting, which is amazing. And I can't really wait to see all the lighting and what it can do with that, and also the mouse as well. So let's go ahead and plug them in. So I've gone ahead and plugged everything in, and the colors look beautiful. I love how everything is set up, the rainbow colors, especially on the mouse. It just looks awesome. So I have the software open here, and we're able to customize pretty much everything here. Let me show you here now. So right now we're looking at the keyboard, so we're seeing exactly what the keyboard is doing. So I can go solo and put any color I want here. So let's say we want the green here. And there it is. It's actually very easy to do. So let's say I'm gonna go custom, and I just want the W or S key here to change. So I'm just gonna leave that red, and here this one none. So let's say you want the gaming key to be a different color. You can go ahead and do that. As you see here, now I have the WD here, and let's just change the A as well. So you can pretty much set any color you want, even on when the rainbow is on, which I love. I think this is where I'm always going to leave it at, because it just looks amazing. And taking a look at the actual keyboard here, so we do have the performance. So we have the repeat delay, repeat rate, which we can set to slow or fast. And then the polling rate as well, which we can also set from 125 to 1000 as well. And then also we can set macro keys as well here for RPG gaming, anything like that, which is very cool. So take a look at the mouse here. We do have some more options like the wave rainbow, or we can have our own color. Let's say I just want red here. and click OK, and now it's all red. But usually I prefer the rainbow because it just looks awesome. And also we have the direction of the flow of the colors here, so if I want to go the opposite way, I can go ahead and do that. Now it's gonna go the other way around. But it just looks amazing, especially when there's like no lighting around. You can see it looks perfect. Then if we go to the performance, so we do have the stages up here, so we can set, as you see here, it changes there too, the DPIs and everything. So you can set the first stage to whatever DPI, but I've seen that like it works out very well, the default, whatever is set here. I usually leave it at stage 2, it works out pretty well for me. So we also have the sniper DPI as well here. We can set to any DPI we want from 100 to 12,000. And we also have the acceleration, deceleration, polling rate, then liftoff distance, 2mm to 3mm, then angle snapping. And also on the sides, we do have some of the buttons here, which we can also have macro keys as well for RPG gaming or anything like that, or if you want to leave for sniper, DPI, anything like that, we're able to do that. It's pretty amazing. So with the press OMRON switches here, we have very quiet mechanical keyboard, which actually feels very nice. Last time, as you've seen my review, I've reviewed the Kingston HyperX keyboard there. When you're pressing, the keys are much louder. So if you're looking something for a less loud mechanical keyboard, this would be a perfect fit for you. And it's not loud, you're not going to wake anyone up when you're typing. And they just feel nice as well too, when you're pressing them. And the overall look and everything feels very nice. So we also have the wrist support here, which I don't really like. I never use this for any keyboard, but if you're into that, you can just go ahead and it snaps on there. And it's also easy to take off as well. It just comes off right away. And also we have the volume wheel here, which works out very well. I've seen myself using that a few times now. And the M keys, which you can set to macro keys or anything like that you want. They work out very well if you're playing RGB gaming or anything like that. Works out very well. So overall, I was very satisfied with this keyboard. I've actually have no complaints at all. It feels good, feels very clean, and especially I love the RGB colors, and you're able to set the individual keys colors as well. That works out very good. I usually hate that when I have M keys on a keyboard or any of those buttons, but in here everything works out pretty well because everything is very minimal and just looks I like plain keyboards, and it has a plain look. So when we're looking at the mouse here, it feels good in the hand. I played a few games over a few hours and it feels great. And the wheel and everything, even the buttons on the side are easy to set micros on and everything like that. Even the sniper, the DPI works out very well. You're able to set it up in the software. And the most thing which I love about this is the all over RGB lighting down here, which looks awesome. Especially when there's lower lights around, it looks amazing. And then up here we do have the X, which is lit as well, and the wheel is also lit too. And the DPI, we can just switch to the 3 settings, which we can also set to any DPI we want in the software as well.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And this is mine.